Hi everyone, Mumbles here. Today I bring you the UGreen Vesa 8K DisplayPort 1.4 6.6 foot cable. This is a DisplayPort cable made to run from a monitor with a DisplayPort to a PC. Now this is a high quality cable. It supports resolution of up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, and is backwards compatible to DisplayPort 1.3 and 1.2. The cable has a max bandwidth of 32.4 gigabytes per second, providing high resolutions and refresh rates. It also supports HDR, HDCP 2.3, VRR, and ALLM, eARC, DTS, and Dolby. Finally, this is a braided cable, so it is made to last even if it gets bent sometimes. In my time with this product, this cable works great. It provides great looking resolutions. Everything was easy to work with. It didn't have any problems with it. It's overall a fantastic product I can do nothing but recommend. Anyways, guys, please smack that subscribe button, smack like button, and smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.